Hi guys, how you doing? Happy new month and welcome to the end of the year. I hope you are learning. I hope you are being careful with your trading because during this time, you have to be careful with the market. So like I said last week, if you were following, I told you I was expecting the DXY to be strong. So we're looking at taking some sales, which happened. So due to the divergence and all, if you watch the video, you should get it. So now, I think the whole week just gave us our confirmation and now maybe the move might be ready. Although this overall trend on DXY is not broken yet. But because we are at the break of this, right, that's giving us a new bias to the market. Right, so we can expect the market to come back to this support, right, and then start going higher or but we need to wait and make sure that this level holds before we start selling or doing anything on there. So that means on our GU, although that one is already at a level here, I didn't take that trade because I have not seen the DXY come back to that level. So I didn't take this trade yet. But what I'm suspecting is when the DXY will go to that level, this might try to spike a little bit, might come a little bit above, then might now break this trend line. So this is another reason why I'm not in yet. This trend line I showed us last week is not yet broken. And remember what I said. We need to wait for the break and the retest of the trend line before we go in. So all this manipulation, you will be safe from it if you are being careful and patient, right? The patient traders get the real money. The ones who are really eager to get into trades, they lose their money. So I'm waiting to see what happens here. As DSY gets stronger, let's hope if it will, then if I get a break of this trend line or the break of this low as well, then we might be ready for that sell. Same thing for EU. EU is actually acting the same with, I think, the DXY. It has broken my trend line here and retested. If you could have gotten this trade, this was a nice sell last week. But I'm waiting overall for this. So I'm waiting for it to come all the way up and retest this trend line or come back to this level, then I'm going to sell. So that's what I have on USD per AUD, USD, same thing. It is still manipulating. So all we can do is wait for the break of this low. Then you can try and see if you can get it. Apart from that, I don't see anything on the USD pairs. I don't see anything on the USD. So I gave us this as well. We were expecting the market to come here. It missed us by some pips, but reacted to this other block on AUD-CHF. But then, like I said, I was waiting for this buy, but he didn't tag me in before moving. So I am not in this trade anyways. I am not in the trade. Same thing for GH. I'm waiting for it to come here to carry me up. So if it can swipe this liquidity the coming week, I'm going to take the buy all the way here. So EURGBP gave us the break of this, but didn't come back for the retest. It just kept going lower. So that means the GBP is really strong and the euro is weak on this pair. So I think that's it. For my DXO, I'm waiting for it to come here to carry me and break this trend line totally. I will even be more comfortable when this trend line is totally broken. Then I can start looking for some sales on those pairs. Without that, I am going to be very careful with trading them. So that's what I have for you. I'm waiting to see what the DXY does so I can know if I'm going to, so I can know if I can wait for the break of gold as well and see if I can get some sales or not. If you have any question about any pair, let me know. I'll be willing to help. I'll be willing to carry you along. But as for now, this is all I have. And I'll see you guys next week. Stay safe. Stay careful. always calculate what you'll be losing before getting into any trade. And I wish you guys success in the coming week. See you later. See you next week. Bye.